anyị si abịa ọzọ. Biko gee ntị n'okwu dị oke mkpa na nchọrọ ikwu. Gee ntị, enwe vidio nchọkwu nnene. Biko no kule ne dan ne kenen this video.
Diya daga assalamu alaikum. Wallahi idan dai ana son smooth running of Plateau State, to lalle muna buƙatar deputy gwamna musulmi daga jihar Plateau. Wannan shine sakon da nake so kowa ya yada. Ai ta share lalle mu ma muna buƙatar deputy gwamna musulmi a jihar Plateau. Zan ba da misalai wanda wayannan misalan nawa suna kan gaba kuma.
Thank you. I'm needing Nesigia. Yes, don't worry, just in a dash or you don't may play the complete video. Can go soon in him, man. Manatupu ayaganiru. Anyway, one thing, I'm missing link. Nchokan wale awe kutupu ayekwe ihozo. That video kitu nene kan kowali unu for people around Nwausa. What that young man is just saying that now. Natural kogu biye na Jos. All this ogo imago ebu Christian and Muslim na ogo na Jos. Ne hani dewo senior vice governor. Jos. Senior vice governor. Ima wa oya bi ihe na emebe ozo. Nwela aka na atụ jele ya ndị Igbo ya ka ndị Igbo ya na amale ihe na eme. Because na ọchị binyele mmadụ ka onye ahụ eji wee dọ na. There is something ihe anụ na eme na Igbo ya today, this Igbo Muslim. Mgbe bido batawa n'ugwu outside like Jos, Plateau, Kaduna, Adamawa, Gombe. Mgbe bido creep we in. Ha na-asị na nwere ihe na-eme na ụmụ nwanne anyị, we should allow them to stay. Na gịnị na ha na-eme ọzọ, ha na-ewenite isi. And Igbo anyị one of the biggest ethnic crisis obona if we did not contain what is happening now. Because a time will come when I will not have the chance to come and be telling you people all these things. You have to go back to some of the videos somewhere. That I have been crying about it, I've been saying about it. One day when you say somebody Igbo channel could something like this 5 years ago, or something like this 8 years ago. Yeah, bucket up the reference Mazen Namdekano, Senamazen Namdekano Kupaya, Queen cause. Manatupu Ayagani wrong right up in a phone scream again. Can refresh your memory back. You hear somebody who now this early this year, which I made two or three videos about it. Also, I am impressed by the growth of Islam in Enugu State. Currently, the state has a population made of 48% Muslim. By 2027, we will have a Muslim governor in Enugu State. Nobody contested it, nobody disapproved it, nobody tackled this guy and made this post to the thing we're making a trend. Mgbe ndị ojus not to be go on nabatala ndị be ha ewe solo ha wee no Biafra nwo. The same thing men Ekiti, ndị Ekiti nabatala ndị a esolo ha wee no sande be ha ogo. Now kita ndị ugwu akwala na kwata na Igbo. Our people are accepting Islam with full joy and everything, and our people are still distracted na asị gị ụka jemai nka ụka bụ our problem. Onye ụka nwa ọ nara ewute onye omenala because na ọ bụrụ onye Igbo nwụrụ. Onye Igbo na-eje ụka nwụdara enwute onye omenala because to him o feel na onye ahụ amara ihe ọ na-eme, na onye ahụ dị useless, na onye ahụ mebili emebi. O chef that we are Igbo before anything. Unu na-ekwu okwu na humanity before religion. What then is the humanity you are talking about that onye Igbo na-eje ụka nwụ isi na gbasara gị because na onye ahụ adị eme omenala na ọ bụ onye riri eri. Kịta ndị ugwu ewepụtago ọnụ si na ya enye ha vice governor Jos. Do you know what it means? For ndị na-abụrụ indigene but as na enye ha vice governor. Just for the example, ịmakwa ihe mee na Lagos mgbe da ma na culture Lagos nke onye Yoruba ahụ dịka onwe something has to do with Igbo. Even vice governor he cannot win because they believe na onye Igbo na-achị ha. Kita ndị Hausa na-ama law ka enye ha vice governor Jos Plateau State. Ọ dịka the thing ekwube nekwa anya na screen ka ngosi gị ihe. Somebody Senator Chijenke Ogene nwana ose 2027 Igbo Muslim in Enugu State demand deputy governor slot in Enugu, claims that they are being marginalized in the state despite making over 28%, 38% population. This is what somebody wrote in January 2026. Na ndị ugwu na-achọ vice governor Enugu State. So a na-ekwu ihe anụnwa ndị baya na aghọta ihe na-eme. You people are not even understanding what is happening. It's just so sad now. People are still not seeing the bigger picture of what is happening. Only with them. And that's if you're going to see a hatch of vice governor, Jos. And now we're going to hatch of vice governor Enugu State. Somebody now saying my 2027, opening you have president, you have governorship, senior have vice governor. Jesus Christ. When I forget, things are happening, but our people are still not paying attention. I am still that voice crying in the wilderness. One alone, one alone. I saw one kid busisi nda Hausa no na Enugu State no. I saw one kid busisi ya. Mana weli legi guweze gon. Weli legi guweze gon. Isi nam no mamme. Nda Hausa noro in a hurry. They are not in a hurry. Even after 75 years, after 50 years, they will still remind you. 50 years, 70 years, they will still remind you. I'm not in a hurry. They are one of the most patient. After the Igbo did in Hausa was second. And they only gained it. And Hana mark territory and boundaries. Katam we afri ha me ti onye na-ele suya na that location. Onye na-ele suya chọọ ipu oti onye ọzọ, onye na-ele provision. Onye na-ele provision chọọ ipu oti onye na-ele siga. Haya nọgide ebe a bụwa ụmụ at the end of the day asị gị na ebe a ka ha nọwa. That in their father and their forefathers nọ ebe a. Okasi market territory the earlier the better for our people. Ikuchakwa anum the next and the complete video. Uno no say him regarding that issue na amen. God one.
I think it's high time I now start properly, unapologetically, not minding any relationship that may be severed from now henceforth, sincerely, but factually. So while to those that don't understand Hausa, what this guy is actually saying is the fact that if they want peace in Plateau State, they must have a Muslim deputy governor, right? So I don't want to go much into any detail in that regards, but what I have to say in this regards is, sincerely speaking, if you are thinking the Usman Danfodio conquest ideology have stopped in Nigeria, you are a joker. And you are very irrational, sincerely speaking. I want to bring this to your notice and know that this is the end game. But this is not actually even the end game. The end game here at the end of the day is the introduction of political Sharia. Right? Give them a yard, they take a mile. Once a man and twice a child. Right? So I want you to know this. I think we're going to be stating everything the way it is now. Anybody that is not comfortable with it, all I have to tell you is to hell with you. I don't give a damn, being friend or whatever. But that is the reality. But most importantly, this is a message to just people. Just people, you can see the handwritings on the wall. So my best advocacy in this regard is never you run away. Never you run away from your motherland, number one. And secondly, know the people you sell land to. Know the people you sell land to. I'm not going to be talking about in regards the action of the government. And sincerely, most importantly, don't wait to always be the victim. Don't wait to always be the victim. Be formidable in all aspects. Be ready to lay down your life for your motherland. Not just for just people, but entirely to anybody that wants to kick against this madness. I am telling you, we all live but once. We all live but once by God's grace. But if you live that once, good enough, it's enough for you, sincerely speaking. So don't be foolish. And let me tell you one particular thing again, because I see a bunch of unrealistic, irrational human beings are actually playing into this trap of some of these fanatics. The fact is, I want to tell you that there are two divisions of fanatics. The ones where they bite you and the ones where they blow you breeze. So when the ones where bite you, the ones where go blow you breeze, go come tell you, say, no be we bite you. I no follow. But if you follow and deep down to those places where you know say you know fit see am, you will now know his true color. So don't be foolish. Don't be foolish. Rise up to the occasion and do the needful if you want your heritage to be preserved. I'm saying this generally to any Nigerian that is affected as a result of this conquest ideology that has been implanted in the minds of some wild donkeys. Know what to do.